Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own talking AI avatar for free. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your streams, videos, or just have some fun, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. So, let's dive in and bring your virtual persona to life without spending a dime.
Like the video you saw at the beginning of this content, it was just picture, talking, and just introducing the video to you. One thing about this app I'm going to introduce to you is that it is free, absolutely free, and it allows you to even use your own voiceover. So your pictures, your talking videos don't need to sound robotic. Like I've seen a couple of apps that when you create a talking video, eventually they kind of sound like a robot talking. Even the Nigerian accent or the accent of wherever you're from might not sound as authentic as you want it to be. So with this app, you get everything in one, and it is absolutely free. We know about other apps like DID, Vibro. These apps are also great. They are great, but you have to pay after a while, and I'm not all about spending money when I've not made money. So yeah, I'm on not spending when I've not made. So when I start making money, I must start exploring other adventurous ways for me to create content, for me to create amazing content for you guys. But as long as I'm not creating money yet, I need to kind of, cut my budget and make my budget to be very, very adjustable for me. If you want to know this app that we are using, I advise that you stay to the end of this video, because a lot of you will just see the name of the app, you don't wait to see what the app is about, you just log off, and I can see that a lot of you don't watch the video to the end. So for you to know this particular app I've been talking about, you have to wait to the end of this video for you to get the information that you need. So without much ado, let's get right into this video. This is the free app we'll be using today. This app is absolutely free, and I've not seen any video tutorial of this app on the YouTube space. Now, one thing you should do first is to click on the plus sign, and then you click on upload photo. So now we're going to use a photo of mine that I've edited already. So now I've clicked on my photo. It is uploading onto the website or onto the app. So once it's done uploading, I'm going to click on add audio. There are various ways you can add audio. You can either use voiceover, record audio file or video file. So I'll be using video file, which means that I will extract the audio of an existing video I have. I'll go onto my video or my albums and search for a video that I want to use. So now that I've clicked on the video is going to upload onto this app, and once it is done uploading, it is only the audio of that video that would upload. So now I want to remove watermark, and it's saying that I haven't registered onto the app, and when I register, it's going to give me about 10 free points that I can use to create talking videos. So now I'm just going to rush over and try to sign up so that I can get started on this website. So I'm going to input my email and create a password and just get started. But the mistake I made here was that I didn't click on the sign up part of the video. I just started creating, and it's going to tell me that my account does not exist. So I'm just going to click on sign up, and then I'll input my email, my password, and just confirm my password again so that I am sure that I'm using the accurate password that I want to use. So now I'm going to click the password again, type it out again to make sure that it is the same as the first one I typed. And once I'm done, then it is time for me to click on continue so that I can go forward with creating content and receive the 10 points that they promised me. So now I'll click on continue, and you can see that the app is loading. It's going to send a verification code to my email account. I'm just going to pull down my tab bar and just check for the code, and they've sent it to my email. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it onto this place. So once I'm done pasting, I'll click on verify now, and voila, I'm already into the app and I've gotten my points. So now I can see that I already have a few points, but it's not enough to generate a video. So I'm going to click on upgrade. So now you can see the prices of each credit that you will need to produce a talking video. But I'm going to click on watch ad so that after watching an ad, I'll be paid. So this is the first ad that I'm watching. So you don't have to log off immediately you see the ad. You need to wait for a while for the ad to take its course. And once the ad is done, you're going to see something like this. Then you can click on cancel sign. Immediately you click on that cancel sign, you'll be awarded 1 credit. Then if you've done that for a while, you're going to come back and click on processing, and then your video will start processing, and then you have to wait. Now that my video is ready, I'll just click on download, and after I'm done downloading the video, you can see what it sounds like. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a talking avatar. The second method we'll be trying out is using AI for both the audio and the pictures. So you're going to do the same thing. You come onto this place and you click on generate AI avatar. The first one we did, we uploaded a picture by ourselves, but now we are going to generate an AI avatar. You're going to click in your prompt. I'm using a beautiful African woman wearing Ankara outfit with a long braids and an head tie. So it has generated me AI pictures that I can use, but something about this is that I created them in a portrait kind of way, and I don't want the portrait, so I'm going to try and create another AI image that will be in YouTube specification, and that I'm going to do using this AI generative tool known as Leonardo. So now I'm going to click my prompt on this app, and it has generated me amazing AI pictures. I will share them in the description box. You don't need to worry. If you're trying to generate pictures like this, believe you me, you're going to see that prompt in the description box, and you can use it for your generations and whatever you want to create and just modify them. So now I'm going to download this image, and then I'll go onto ChatGPT. If you don't have an account on ChatGPT previously, all you need to do is to create one. Now I'm going to type in this prompt. Please write a short introduction for a YouTube video about creating a talking AI avatar for free. Now it has created it for me. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to the talking AI avatar app, and then I'm going to click on replace to replace this previous image with the one I created on Leonardo AI. So once I'm here, I'll click on the picture I want, and it will upload onto the app, and then my previous image will be replaced with the new one that I want in YouTube specification. Now I'm going to click on next, and once I've clicked on next, I'm going to click on audio. I'll be using the AI avatar. Now the prompt I got from ChatGPT, I'm going to paste it onto this place, and then I'll choose a language, which is English language, and I'll pick an accent. I'll be using the Nigerian accent, and then the Nigerian accent I'll be using the female voiceover, because obviously I'm a girl and I would love to use a girl's voice, and this girl is called Jerry Amadi, and it's going to sound very feminine. Then I'll click and generate and upload, and it's going to take me to this place where it's telling me that okay, now you're ready, you're good, now it's time for you to finally click on making your video. So now it's loading and it's telling me make a talking photo. This is the final stage, and immediately I click on this make a talking photo, it's going to tell me that my credits yet again are not enough. Then we'll come to this place that we hate seeing, which are the prizes. I will click on watch ad, and I'm watching the ad right about now. It's not a good or my favorite thing to do, but it is what you have to pay for using this app for free. Others are absolutely paid and you can't maneuver it in any way, but this you can maneuver by watching ad, which is something I'm very, very grateful about, and you yourself, you should be grateful about something like this. So once I'm done watching the ad and it has gifted me enough credits for me to produce, I will click on make talking photo, and it will start processing my video or start processing my talking photo, and then I'll wait patiently for my video to get done, for it to get produced, for it to get processed. And once it has shown me that it is ready, then it is time for me to either download or watch the outcome of the video. For this, I don't know, which should we do first? Let's see the outcome first, so let's determine if we will download it.
Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own talking AI avatar for free.
And yes, the video was worth it, so we are going to click on the download button and get the video downloaded into our phone. Now, there are so many channels on YouTube that are using this method to make money. People in tech, people that share stories, people that create entertainment. You just need this simple tutorial, and I've given it to you guys for absolutely free. You don't need to dull anymore. You don't need that excuses that you've been giving me, because me myself, I'm hoping to make lots of money, but you're not sharing my videos. It is time that you start sharing my videos to your friends, to your family finally stop gatekeeping that knowledge. So we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get more content like this. Until next time, I always love you, my 226 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.